Are you a crypto trader? Would you like to trade better? You will know that it is not easy. There's a lot of time and training invested in, but it's worth it. Time by time, you will get better. You will get higher till you reach the tallest mountain. You will make friends on the journey, and you will learn from them. Because this is the way to share, to live together, to learn from each other, to make great projects that deserve it. This is crypto. This is blockchain. This is Bitkings. Trade, share, and succeed.